Hello everyone, my name is Victor Brimer from M&B Renewable Energy. We are into sales and installation of solar systems. I welcome you all to this channel. If you'll be following the news, you will know that renewable energy is not just a trend, but the future of power, especially the solar photovoltaic system, are leading the charge by converting the sun abundant light into usable electricity. What exactly is this solar system made of? Many people think it is just the blue-black panels on the roof. That is just the start. It entails some other electrical components working together flawlessly to provide your homes and businesses with usable electricity. We are going to be unveiling in episodes this component and the theory behind each and every one of them before we delve into the practicals. Stop scrolling. Your free training videos are ready. Click on our bio to subscribe to the channel and start watching now. Thank you.